Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I was trying to request the honourable member to be specific in the question that he's raising. The way it is set out now, it's very general. First, given that the University of the South Pacific is a regional university, and we do understand the many programs that are given at the master's level, at the PhD level. We just had a recent graduation ceremony, and a lot of graduates or master's graduates, and also PhD graduates. So I took the time to honorably request the USP VC to if you can give some answers to the general question that was given today. So the answer from the answer was provided by the USP VC says that we used to confirm that the lecturers are assigned only for courses. I hope you are aware. USP has no master's level courses that do not have an allocated lecturer. For masters by research and PhD students, they have supervisors. The master's research students who are registered with their approved research proposals, at least one supervisor is allocated. At the PhD level, every USP doctorate candidate has a principal supervisor who is supported by a supervisory panel. So we've required our supervisory teams are supplemented by area specialists from our partner university. That is the answers provided by the VC. So if you have any supplementary question, I can take it back to you.
Thank you.